Here's my 3733 box fan. I haven't filmed this in a while. I did a blade swap a long time ago and actually put a black blade in there from the B2301. Just kind of swapped the blades out, and I got the original blade that goes to this in the B2301. So we're going to go ahead and run this at full power. I know what you're thinking. Well, do we have the feet? Nope. So then, without the feet, isn't it going to fall over? Not this one. Nope. It's because it's stable enough where it won't fall over. So with that, enjoy the video. I'm not exactly sure you're going to hear the wind stream, but if you do, good. If not, my apologies to you. It's a box fan, you can't adjust it. Alright, spin down. Running it at full power, now spin down. Spin down time is decent. It's got black blades, unfortunately, but there you go. And there's that. Haven't ran that one in a long time. Still worse than this day. There you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm the Fan Man, and out. Thanks for watching. I'm the Fan Man, and out. Good night. Turning on the fans because I'm getting ready to go to sleep, and turning off the fly trap lamps.
Was scheduled to begin, so a lot of people missed the main part of the display. They've evolved to the point where synchrony is a successful reproductive strategy.
Well, that one is still running, so I don't need to turn that on. The vintage one over here is still running from 1976. Brand spanking new, never been used until now. And the Wuzu is now running. Also, the non-oscillation black one is coming today. And the oscillation black one will be coming soon. To wrap up getting all these now because they're no longer being made. Here's the teeny weeny 4-inch model. Unfortunately, they do have a teeny weeny 4-inch oscillating model, but it's not worth getting because these things don't move that much here. Maybe for a cubicle, and I don't work in a cubicle. And those are also discontinued as a part of that lineup. The same thing with the white one right there. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to sleep. Good night. I'm the Fan Man, out. Turning on two box fans, or not two box fans, I'm tired. Turning on two fans before going to sleep. Turning on the 9723, the regular 9723, not converting this at all to no metal blade fan. I already did the other two. I wanted one just normal, regular. This is the 2023, 2024 model. So turning it on low power. And turning on the commercial cool. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. You should. It's a fan video. Lamont the Fan Man and out. Fans running in the studio for today, October the 17th, 2024. The Hurricane 9723 running on low. A non-modified version running on low. The Hurricane 9214 exhausting at full power. Actually, it's on medium power, not full power, but medium power. So it's exhausting at medium power. The vintage cool horn 9-inch desk fan running on low. The beautiful royal blue blades. And the Wuzu running on low. Or is it on medium? Okay, that one's on medium. Okay, so that's all the fans running for today. Thanks for watching. Lamont the Fan Man and out. Let's run it. Spin down.
Oh yeah, 2 tractor trailer collision. 40-foot end up over the garbage. And we have a flatbed over there that steel coils on it. In back of this tractor hard.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Lamont the Fan Man and out. Let's run it. We're going to run the Power Zone 10-inch box fan at full power.
At 5 to 10 miles per hour. Wednesday night, partly cloudy in the evening with more clouds spread over at night. Low is 9. Winds light to 30.
I tried to lean the fan back so that way you can hear the wind stream. Hopefully you can hear it. If not, my apologies to you. It is a box fan. It's not one of those kinds where you can adjust it. So hopefully you can hear something. If you can't hear it, then I do apologize. I did the best I could. If you can't hear the wind stream, I do apologize. Sometimes it blows the air off to the side, so I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, it looks like it's more over here. Let me see. It's going to look a little weird, but I'm trying to get to the wind stream so y'all can hear the wind stream. Over here. Okay. But whatever. I'll just keep it right here so I won't mess up the video. Alright, well, enjoy the video. All right, spin it down. Spin down time when this fan's pretty decent.
The result was litter robot, fully automatic, self-cleaning litter box. 25 years later, we solved the litter box problem for over 1 million pet parents around the world. You'll never scoop it.
Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Lamont the Fan Man and out. That's also going to do it for this production. More videos to come soon. God bless you and gone. Good night. Let's film it. Full power.
Derbyshire locals have long believed there are strange forces at work beneath the hills. Inside the county's Pennine Hills are a labyrinth of caves, etched by nature into the limestone over millennia. And mines, which have been dug here since prehistoric times by men in search of coal.
Alright, well, it must have been running after I was done and filming it one time without me realizing it, and that's the only thing that makes sense, and the battery died. So let me try to plug it up and see if I can get it to run.
This footage was shot in a location where we know there are mines underneath the surface.
These subterranean passages have a forbidding reputation. A large cave in nearby Castleton is known as the Devil's Hindquarters, and locals report a strange fiery presence and sulfurous smells coming up from the...
Without even editing a stinking video, I can care less. I'm tired. We're going to go ahead and run it.
Built on top of a literal portal to hell.
Bram Stoker, who wrote Dracula based on tales of real Romanian vampire legends, was fascinated by the stories he heard in Derbyshire. In his final book, The Lair of the White Worms, the villain is not a blood-sucking count.
Okay, now it's working. Obviously, I had to plug it up. The stinking battery died on me.
Rearing up to terrorize the countryside at the whim of an evil local aristocrat.
The word worm denotes a huge cave-dwelling snake-like creature. These are often presented in a deadly poison stance.
You guys should be able to hear the wind stream. If not, my apologies to you, but the room is kind of warm right now. So I have the ceiling fan running on medium. So it might be causing somewhat of a slight hindrance, but you should be able to still hear the wind stream. Now they have a white variant of this. It's the same fan, it's just the white version of it. The white color version. Well, are you going to get it? Are you going to buy that too? No, I'm not. Why would I need to buy the white version when I already have the black one? That doesn't make any sense. I already got it. I already got the fan. Like, why would I want to go out there and spend almost 50 bucks on this again just to get the white color one? That doesn't make no sense. When I already got the black one. So, I'm content with the black one. I'm satisfied with that. You guys should be able to hear whatever. I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed. You guys should be able to hear the wind stream. Alright, good enough. Let's spin it down.
Somebody ringing near my phone or ringing near my doorbell can set it off.
Alright, the spin down time. Yep, that's because it's brushless. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Lamont the Fan Man and out.